Alright, my very first glitter chimp unboxing. Super excited. Ooh, look at the sparkles. Butter. Let me look at the receipt, see if I can tell you what kind of glitter they are. It is a chunky color shifting glitter. The butter is. It's $5.95. No, sorry, $6.15. We have blue bonnets. Of course, you had to get blue bonnets living in Texas. Blue bonnets is a ultra fine holographic glitter. Let's see. Blue suede shoes. I loved this online and it does not disappoint in person. This one is a ultrafine holographic as well. Love my holla. Bewitched. Wow, look at that. That is a mixology glitter. In a minute I'll open the top so you guys can see it a little bit better. Here's Caribbean. Caribbean is also an ultrafine holographic glitter. Excuse my hands, I've been doing home remodel stuff and my hands are paying the price. So now we have Beaches. I'm guessing an ultrafine holographic also. Beautiful. Disco Ball. And it is what you think it is. Ultrafine holographic. Alright, Glitter Chimp Abyss. Abyss is a mixology glitter as well. Like I said, we'll open the tops in a minute and you guys can see inside. Let's see. Let's do this one. So Levi. Levi is a chunky holographic glitter. I'm going to be doing steel tumblers for Christmas presents, so that's why all the glitter. And of course I just got carried away. Here we have Easily Suede. And that one is an ultra fine glitter. No holographic, just a beautiful ultra fine. Shines like crazy. Oh, I could not resist. This one is Space Mouse. I don't know if you can see. It's holographic. It has, let's see, can't find it on the receipt here. But if you look real close, it's got little mouse ear. And it's holographic. I love it. Love myself and my Mickey Mouse, so that's perfect. Midnight Blue. Oh, this is so dark it looks almost black. This one is an ultrafine glitter. Beautiful. Ultrafine glitter as well. Deep Space. Deep Space is a fine holographic glitter. Enchantment. Ultrafine Chameleon color shifting glitter. Lucky Me. I believe that's, it could be ultrafine holographic. Let me see. Yeah, ultrafine holographic. Shits and Glitz. I love the names also. This one, oh, there we go. The Shits and Glitz is an ultrafine glitter. Space Mouse is a holographic shape glitter. Alright, we have Texas Oil, which is an ultrafine glitter. Obviously a black gold. Texas Tea, as some would say. Hotter Than Hot. This one is a chunky, let's see, chunky rainbow glitter. Peaches and Cream. This one looks so pretty on the website. It's beautiful in person too. And it is an ultra-fine color shifting glitter. Alright, we have Grasshopper, which is a chunky color shifting glitter. Gold Member, which is an ultra-fine gold glitter. Last but not least, we have Let It Go, which is a ultra-fine rainbow glitter. And they always include their little sticker, which I'll add to the rest of my stickers. Glitter Chimp. Too cute. I love that sticker. It can go with all the rest of my stickers on my box. So, super cute. Okay, let me open the tops for you guys and show you the insides. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so here is each one of the glitters with the lid off so you can see it a little better. I did turn on the flash so you could see the absolute sparkle in all of the colors. At the very end, I'm going to do a side-by-side between Texas Oil and Midnight Blue to show you that it is indeed a blue, even though it looks very black. These are just beautiful glitters. I can tell you that if you love the color online, you're going to love it in person even more. The prices on these vary from $5.45 for 2 ounces up to, I believe I paid $10.95 for one of them, also for 2 ounces. They do it by weight, not bottle, so you do get the same amount. The most expensive on there was the Enchantment, because it is an ultra-fine chameleon color shifting glitter. And then the Space Mouse was a little higher at $8 because it, you know, it's the shaped glitter. So love all of them. Cannot wait to use them on my tumblers. Might try to do a video of those, although I'm just a beginner, so I'm not sure if I want to put that out there for everyone to see or not. As always, I hope everyone stays happy, healthy, and safe out there. Wishing everybody a very Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you guys before then. However, hopefully I'll be putting up a video on the angelfish within the next day or so. Alright, enjoy the beautiful glitters and have a great holiday, everybody.